The Black & Decker Lopper chainsaw features clamping jaws that act like giant scissors, allowing you to grab and cut branches effortlessly. Powered by a 4.5 amp motor, it handles branches up to 10 centimeters thick, perfect for tasks too large for pruners but not requiring a full-size chainsaw. Safety is prioritized with metal guards protecting hands. While it's lightweight, compact design makes it ideal for reaching tricky spots in your garden. No-cry professional knee pads are a lifesaver for anyone working long hours on their knees. Built with foam and gel layers, they provide comfort akin to kneeling on a cushion, while reinforced straps ensure a secure fit. Military-grade rivets and tough outer padding protect against sharp objects, such as nails or stones. Lightweight and breathable, they prevent sweating during prolonged use, making them ideal for both professional and home projects. The vibrating tile setter ensures perfect adhesive distribution and air bubble elimination for flat, even tiles. Powered by a 16.8-volt lithium battery, it provides long-lasting performance, with 2 batteries included to avoid downtime. The suction cup handles up to 77 pounds, making heavy tile handling easier. Features like a built-in bubble level and flashlight allow precision work, even in low-light conditions. This tool is ideal for achieving professional quality tiling results. The Festool ISC 240 cordless cutter is designed for precise insulation cutting on the go. With a brushless motor and lightweight, well-balanced design, it offers excellent maneuverability, even for one-handed use. It works on materials like mineral wool, foam, and natural fibers, with adjustable cutting depths of 9.45 to 13.78 inches. Quick change features allow tool-free adjustments, and its rubber grip ensures comfort during extended tasks. Perfect for professional insulation projects. The Alloyman Cordless Screwdriver is perfect for versatile tasks, from home repairs to electronics. It features 6 interchangeable bits that swap effortlessly, adapting to various screw sizes. With 4.5 Newton-meters torque and 200 RPM, it efficiently drives up to 400 screws per charge. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while an integrated LED light improves visibility. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery, it provides consistent performance for demanding tasks, making it reliable and efficient. The Titan SprayRoller streamlines painting by combining spraying and back-rolling into one efficient motion. Its modular design reduces prep time and minimizes overspray, making it ideal for textured surfaces. Compatible with all airless sprayers, it features a standard 9-inch roller for a smooth finish. Even novice users will find touch-ups easy, thanks to its user-friendly design. This tool simplifies painting tasks, saving time while delivering professional quality results. The Makita cordless microwave oven is perfect for heating food on the go. It offers 2 power modes, 350W and 500W, catering to various needs. Compact and portable, it features a durable, waterproof, and dust-proof build, with a tempered glass door for rugged use. The auto-switchable dual battery system doubles runtime, while the LED display provides clear control. With an ergonomic handle and user-friendly design, it's ideal for outdoor, travel, or job site food preparation. The Peat moss spreader is a must-have for lawn care enthusiasts. Made from durable steel, it features a rotating drum with a mesh grate for even fertilizer distribution. The adjustable handle ensures comfortable use, while side clips securely lock the load during operation. Its hinged door simplifies filling, and the design prevents clumps from spreading. Perfect for applying compost, peat moss, or top dressing, this spreader improves lawn health and appearance. The Bosch cordless eccentric sander combines compact design, power, and ease of use. Its 18V brushless motor delivers corded-level performance, while the ergonomic handle and vibration-dampening elements reduce fatigue. The 5-inch, 8-hole sanding pad ensures efficient dust collection when paired with a vacuum. Soft start technology ensures smooth operation, and constant speed control maintains performance under load. Ideal for precision sanding in tight spaces, this tool is a reliable choice for DIYers and professionals. The Makita Robotic vacuum cleaner is designed for effortless cleaning of large areas. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers up to 200 minutes of runtime, optimizing battery efficiency. The 3-stage cleaning system, including side brushes and vacuum suction, ensures thorough results. Its 5/8 gallon dust collector reduces emptying frequency. With automatic obstacle detection, a timer function, and remote control, this vacuum adapts to various surfaces, making it perfect for maintaining cleanliness with minimal effort. The woodpecker saw gauge is a precision tool for accurate woodworking alignment. It measures the distance between the saw blade and guide bar for clean, straight cuts. Built with steel pins, it adjusts seamlessly to fit grooves, ensuring smooth operation. Features include a dial indicator with 0.001-inch graduation and a revolution counter for repeatable measurements. Its rugged construction ensures durability for daily use, making it indispensable for professionals and hobbyists seeking perfect cuts. The coat-tail tying tool makes plant tying fast and efficient, completing up to 45 ties per minute. It's perfect for securing plants like tomatoes or grapes to trellises. Using biodegradable wire, each spool provides around 1,000 ties, each capable of holding up to 8 kilograms. With a simple press-to-tie mechanism, it's dependable and easy to use. A starter wire spool is included, making it the ideal choice for gardeners seeking to save time.